Ready, set, go. Okay, guys. I had to take a step right back out onto the balcony here. I had to do it. Oh, we're out here. And we're out here specifically to talk about this Bitcoin. Did predict to get to this point almost 2 weeks ago. I drew these lines, especially this band of resistance right here. Wow, that thing's loud. And as you can see, this band right here is where all the action's at. So yesterday, let's take a look on the hourly. Yesterday we were performing pretty good. We just had broken above this upwards sloping support that had just become resistance, faked out below it actually, had come up to my resistance band, kissed it, had a moment there where we thought we could go back down. No, we came back in, hit the top of the resistance band. Then surprisingly, this resistance band plays its role once again. We come down to test the bottom. We test the bottom, we bounce off, we fall through the bottom down to the 20,300 load, and come back in, test it, bounce off, go through the middle, hit the top, go through the top. Then now we're retesting the top and we have just bounced off. So now we are forming higher highs, as you can see. And now, well, we've got one level left. We've got this downward sloping resistance that has been knocking us down at least 10% every time we touch it since April. Since April, guys. That is almost 4 months of resistance. And we are approaching it right now on the hourly chart. Now if I zoom this in so you can just see this triangle right here, as you can see, and I put it on the 15-minute chart. As you can see, these levels that I drew weeks ago are playing huge roles in what is happening right now. So we have so much time left. Probably I'd say from today to the end of the weekend. By the weekly close, we will figure out if we will break below, retest that's upward sloping support, or break above and form new all-time highs. So what are my price targets? Right away, I want to see us hit the $21,000 level, at least, by today. If we can hit that by today, we will be able to have our test to see if we will break through. Now, guys, I do want to mention, this is a big week because, as I've said before, we have closed below the previous all-time highs from 2017 and 2020, and that is a precedent that we have never, ever, ever seen. So since that has happened, we now need to watch out. Because take a look at this on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, as you can see, we have one level that matters more than all. That's $17,000 500 mark. Now if we get down there, that's dangerous. That's very dangerous because we're far above it right now. So that would mean at least a 10% drop. That can be the guaranteed drop if we hit this downward sloping resistance. That can be exactly where we end up. That 10% drop will take us right to 17,500. So long as, if we hit this, we don't fall below 19,300, we stay above that, the previous all-time high from 2020 and 2017, we can at least confirm that we'll be staying above this resistance band. Now I want to take a look at a couple charts right here. First, I want to take a look at the sandbox chart because this, as I keep saying, is one of my leading indicators in what will happen to the whole of the crypto market, as you can see. It's looking funky right here. Here it is. As you can see, we have just finally come back above that upward sloping support that we were just below. We faked out. We were just back above. And now we are looking to confirm this picture perfect ascending triangle. I might even make this right here. I might have to do something with this. This is art to me. This is picture perfect. I can't even believe I'm seeing this with my eyes. It's so perfect looking. Look at this. Just hits it, this perfectly straight line up here. We can't break above. This is almost unseen in trading and economics, how perfect this ascending triangle looks. This can be used as examples for years to come. And we are above, and we are looking to come and retest the horizontal slope of the horizontal line of $1.30 and see if we can break above. I also wanted to take a look at this chart right here. Not sure. Here it is. This is the Crypto Online Chronos coin. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit of the opposite of what we had with the sandbox. It is more of a wedge, if you will. Take a look at this. So from the bottom, draw a slope. Draw one more. There, so if you'll see, this is more of a wedge that we're trapped in right here for the Chronos. So this is why I'm interested in this, because we have two indicators besides Bitcoin to show us where we could head. And they both say that we are closing in on the decision time. So if that means anything to you, well, decision time is this weekend. So be looking out for the weekly candle close. Be looking this weekend for the prices. And maybe, you might see something crazy. Anyways, as always, I got you.